It has become impossible to imagine driving without a navigation system. And if it's an intuitive navigation system, then every day is truly joyous. Welcome to the BMW Enhanced and Personalized Navigation that is mapped to serve you better. Make your driving experience safer and better by choosing the map viewing option that works for you best. Came across an interesting place to visit? Share it with your car via the My BMW app. You can even plan your trips smarter by scheduling your departure time on the app. Your BMW will be prepped and ready for you with the shared destination in advance. Dot jams with real-time traffic visuals and en-route updates. Make your driving experience better in every way possible with BMW Navigation and the My BMW app. Continue watching our My BMW app How-To series for more information and joy.